get what you get.
Hey loves, we are back again with another interesting hairstyle, and this one is a viral short boho braids with synthetic hair. If this sounds like something you're interested in, or if you want to find out how we achieve this look, then you definitely want to keep on watching. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like, and we're going to be starting off with prepping the synthetic hair. These are extensions that I already had at home, and guys, for the mixture I wanted, I literally used like about 4 colors. I used black, gold, orange and brown. And guys, I'm going ahead to prep the coils I'll be using for the boho braids, and I went ahead to use straws to actually prep this coils, and this is what it is looking like, babies. I used straws and bobby pins to do this. And guys, the next thing I am going ahead to do is to prep my hair. I already went ahead to detangle my hair, and it is kind of like freshly washed because I just nearly relaxed my hair before braiding, before deciding to make this hair. And this is what my hair is looking like, babies. So guys, the next thing I am going ahead to do is to partition my hair into sections. And as you can see, I'm starting off from the center of my hair, trying my possible best to make sure it is straight, which is very, very important. So guys, when partitioning your hair, you want to take your time while doing this. No rush. You want to definitely take your time while doing this. So this is what it looks like after partitioning one side, and this is literally what I'm going to do. So I am going ahead to take my time to partition my hair for the boho braids.
Girl, you make me go loco. Yeah. Me, I go wait for your love, even if it takes forever. Nobody do me like this, oh no, no, no. Girl, I fit do anything, no, if you could be my lover. Yeah, yeah, I don't mind, maybe please you. Angelina.
So guys, I literally decided to partition my hair from the front because this actually makes sectioning my hair way easier, and I just needed to do this with the mirror facing me because I literally cannot do this without a mirror. So you definitely want to get a mirror to partition your hair. And guys, I started off at the front because I wanted the front to be really, really neat and clean and beautiful and okay. Because one thing I noticed about braiding my hair is when I tend to do the back first before the front, I get easily tired when it comes to the front. So I decided to do the front first before going, like before I relax to like make the back. So guys, I'm actually doing knotless braids before I apply the coils. I already did on grand. And guys, one thing I was so scared of was this hair mixture that I did. I was so scared that it would be too bright or I won't like the result at the end of the day. But after mixing them all together, mixing the 4 colors of extension together, I absolutely loved how it turned out, babies. So you can definitely try out those 4 colors because it is given what it's supposed to give, babies. So guys, I'm just going ahead to braid my hair. I didn't want the coils to be much, so I just added just one section of coils to each braid, and that is literally all I did for the boho braids. So guys, as you can see, I'm adding extensions to my hair just the normal way we do our knotless braids, and then braids to some extent before adding the coils to my hair, and braid you want to make sure the quest is one side is longer than the other side, because you're going to braid one side continuously with the extension and your hair and then leave out one side. That is literally how it works, and that is literally what I am doing right now, babies. So you want to definitely keep on watching so you can understand what I am literally doing.
Any day come and chop my rubber, see the money, I get the money, Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Oh baby, Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina. Girl, you make me go loco. Yeah. Me, I go wait for your love, even if it takes forever. Nobody do me like this, oh no. Girl, I will do anything, no, if you could be my lover. Yeah, I don't mind, maybe please, yo. I depend, oh. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Oh baby, make we day together. Gucci, Fendi, any designer for your body, for your body. Oh my darling, you know get wala. Any day come and chop my rubber, see the money, I get the money, Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Oh baby, Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina. Girl, you make me go loco. Yeah. Me, I go wait for your love, even if it takes forever. Nobody do me like this, oh no. Girl, I will do anything, no, if you could be my lover. Yeah, I don't mind, maybe please, yo. I depend, oh. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Angelina, you owe me for go. Yeah. I tell you my mind, if you leave me now, die, yo. Oh baby, make we day together. Gucci, Fendi, any designer for your body, for your body. Oh my darling, you know get wala. Any day come and chop my rubber, see the money.
So guys, I am at the last section of the front part, and I am loving the outcome of this hair. I was so scared at first because I know I've watched lots of videos that people complain that Boho braids doesn't last except you really know how to maintain this. So I am definitely going to try and look for a way to maintain this because I am loving how it looks, babies. So I'm actually at the last section, so I would definitely repeat what you need to do. You braid to some extent, and then you add your quest to the braids, and then you keep on braiding. You want to make sure one side of the braid of the quest is longer than the other side, because you keep on braiding the other part and then leave the longer part.
Get what you give, so if I give you my love, then I should get something back.
So guys, at the end of the day, I spent like about 5 hours to complete this hair. 5 to 6 hours to complete this hair, because I literally started late. I started around 2 p.m. and then ended around 7 to 8 p.m. around 7 8 p or 8 p.m. So that is literally like about 5 to 6 hours, and it turned out so well. So this is me almost done with the front part, and then I'm going ahead to finish up the back part, and then we will show you the final look.
Wife thinks she's looking for a sighting, but I can't hide it. I'm falling for your sightings, so I won't fight it. Damn, you got me back again.
So guys, this is what the hair looks like, and I am so loving it. Like babies, it's turned out so well. I've been wanting to do boho braids for the longest of time, but just been scared that it won't last long. But guys, I am literally loving the fact that this hair is so short and beautiful. The coils are giving what it's supposed to give, and I am loving it, babies. So guys, you definitely want to try it out, and I am loving the fact that I can style this anyhow I want. I'm already going through my, like, a lot of styles are already going through my head on how I'm going to rock this baby. I'm going to rock this hair. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. So guys, this is literally all for now. I'm going to be sharing with you guys different ways to style this hair, so stay tuned and see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.